Today I'll show you a common problem that every PHP developer has faced is that their MySQL shutdowns unexpectedly. It can happen for various reasons, like your MySQL port is using somewhere else, or your database is corrupted. Also, you misconfigure things. So I'll give you a easy steps to fix this problem. First, I will go to our XAMPP folder. It can be found in your C drive. In XAMPP folder, we have to go to our MySQL folder. In here, I can see some folders. Is named data folder and backup folder. Data is the important folder because it has all your databases. So I'll first rename it as data old to keep it as it is. And the backup folder is for emergency cases if somehow your MySQL get crashed, like right now I'm facing. So I'll take this, copy it and paste it here. So I'll make a copy of the backup and rename it as data to work as a data. And I have to take my old databases, like for me it has two projects, these two, and I have a file name ibdata1. So I'll take it as well. I'll copy it and paste it in our data. So I'll replace the file in the destination because I have to update is ibdata as well, the one I copied. So if I do this correctly, then my MySQL will be fixed. So I'll stop the services and restart my XAMPP, and it will work accordingly. So it fixes the problem. So if you follow these steps, it will give you the solution. If you want to see your database in PHP admin, is showing here as well. So this is the fix.